Next, another named reaction we are going to discussing about urea formaldehyde resin. In this named reaction, we are discussing about the mechanism and functions, properties and applications of urea formaldehyde resin. Before going to discussing this named reaction, we should know about what is the molecular formula of urea and what is the molecular formula of formaldehyde. Urea molecular formula is NH2CONH2. This molecular formula, because of our convenience purpose, we have to write like this: CONH2 and then NH2. And formaldehyde formula is HCHO. It is also an example for condensation polymerization mechanism. It means in this named reaction also water molecule get eliminated. It has following two steps. Already we are discussing condensation polymerization is another name is stepwise polymerization mechanism. It has following two steps. In first step, already we know the name of this named reaction is urea formaldehyde resin. So in this named reaction, urea and formaldehyde get reacted. First step, urea react with formaldehyde to give two types of products. Urea react with formaldehyde to form monomethylol formaldehyde and dimethylol formaldehyde. It is the structure of urea, CONH2 NH2. Urea react with 1 mole formaldehyde to get monomethylol formaldehyde. Urea react with 2 moles of formaldehyde to get dimethylol formaldehyde. The major change here we are observed, that is urea. When it is reacted with 1 mole of formaldehyde, this hydrogen reacted with this formaldehyde to get monomethylol formaldehyde. Only 1 mole, so it reacted with only one hydrogen. In second step, 2 moles of formaldehyde. 2 moles of formaldehyde, one mole is reacted this hydrogen and another mole is reacted with this hydrogen. Similar to like this dimethylol formaldehyde. Urea react with 1 mole of formaldehyde. This formaldehyde reacted with this hydrogen to get monomethylol formaldehyde. And second step, 2 moles of formaldehyde reacted. 1 mole is reacted with this hydrogen and another mole is reacted with this hydrogen to get dimethylol formaldehyde. In second step, a group of dimethylol formaldehyde combined to form urea formaldehyde resin. A group of dimethylol formaldehyde combined to form urea formaldehyde resin. See, it is nothing but dimethylol formaldehyde. CONCH2OH hydrogen, NCH2OH hydrogen. A group of, for example, 3 moles of dimethylol formaldehyde are taken. 3 moles is nothing but like this. A group, it is one dimethylol formaldehyde, it is another molecule of dimethylol formaldehyde, it is another molecule of dimethylol formaldehyde. Totally how many water molecules get eliminated? 6 water molecules get eliminated. So in this, first this hydrogen and this OH, one water molecule. This hydrogen, this OH, another water molecule. Totally 2 water molecules completed. Then this OH and this hydrogen, another water molecule. 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 Totally 6 water molecules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 water molecules. The remaining molecule get combined. See, bond N, CH2. Bond N, CH2. Then directly joined with N, CH2 and then CH2. Then directly joined with N, CH2. CO, CO, CO. సో Nకి CO, CO, CO జాయిన్ చేసాం. దెన్ అగైన్ N, N, CH2, CH2, then N, N, CH2, CH2, N, N, and then CH2, CH2. It is nothing but urea formaldehyde resin. Once again I repeated you Nana, listen carefully. It is nothing but urea formaldehyde resin. So the name of this named reaction indicates in this urea and formaldehyde get reacted. What is the structure of urea and what is the structure of formaldehyde? Urea is NH2CO NH2. Because of our convenience purpose, I have to write like this. And formaldehyde is HCHO. It is an example for condensation polymerization. It has following two steps. First step, urea reacted with 1 mole formaldehyde to get monomethylol. Mono means 1. 1 mole formaldehyde to get monomethylol formaldehyde. Urea reacted with 2 moles of formaldehyde to get dimethylol formaldehyde. Dimethylol formaldehyde. 1 mole, 1 HCHO reacted with this hydrogen to get like this. 2 HCHO, 1 HCHO here and another HCHO like this. Because of the name of this is dimethylol formaldehyde. In next step, we are taking in dimethylol formaldehyde. In second step, a group of dimethylol formaldehyde combined to form urea formaldehyde resin like this. And it is nothing but urea formaldehyde resin. Next, another most important named reactions are synthetic rubbers. Synthetic rubbers means man-made rubbers. The best example for synthetic rubbers are one is Bunayas, another one is Bunayan. Bunayas rubber is used in manufacturing of tires, tubes, etc. Bunayas rubber ని ఎక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే టైర్స్లో యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం, ట్యూబ్స్లో యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం. అంటే టైర్స్లో ఉన్న కెమికల్ కాంపౌండ్ బునాయస్సే అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ట్యూబ్స్లో ఉన్న కెమికల్ కాంపౌండ్ కూడా బునాయస్. దెన్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఏంటి బునాయన్. ఈ బునాయన్ని ప్రింటర్స్లోను, రోలర్స్లోను, బెల్ట్లో యూస్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ బునాయస్. The another name of Bunayas is GRS and styrene rubber. In examination point of view, they are asking either Bunayas or GRS or styrene rubber. Or in simply 2 marks question, write any 2 examples of synthetic rubbers. One is nothing but Bunayas, another one is nothing but Bunayan. How it is formed Bunayas? 1,3 butadiene reacted with styrene rubber to form Bunayas. How it is changed, Nana? This bond is shifted to here and this bond make a new bond between these 2 different molecules and this bond. So this bond make a new this bond shifted to here, so it makes a new bond between these 2 different molecules. The remaining molecule get joined. 1,3 butadiene, 1,3 butadiene and it is styrene rubber. Okay, then CH2 డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉంది, బట్ ఇక్కడికి షిఫ్ట్ అయిపోవడం వల్ల ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ బాండే ప్రజెంట్ అయింది కాబట్టి CH2 సింగిల్ బాండ్ CH. ఆల్రెడీ ఒక బాండ్ ఉంది, కొత్తగా ఇంకో బాండ్ వచ్చి జాయిన్ అయింది కాబట్టి సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డబుల్ బాండ్. ఆల్రెడీ CH, సో డైరెక్ట్లీ CH డబుల్ బాండ్, బట్ ఇది షిఫ్టెడ్ టు అనదర్ ప్లేస్, సో సింగిల్ బాండ్ ఓన్లీ. సో సింగిల్ బాండ్ CH2 బాండ్ CH2 సింగిల్ బాండ్ CH. CH contain benzene ring, that is Bunayas. Preparation Nana. 1,3 butadiene reacted with styrene rubber to form Bunayas. It is nothing but Bunayas or GRS or styrene rubber. 1,3 butadiene reacted with styrene rubber to form Bunayas. One of the very important in 5 marks question. Similarly, just only Bunayan, don't think about separately Bunayan Nana. Another name of Bunayan is nothing but GRI rubber and nitrile rubber. Simply you have to recognize this is Bunayas by changing of this in CN group, that is Bunayan. Remaining everything will be common. So see once again. So 1,3 butadiene reacted with vinyl cyanide to form Bunayan. Same, this bond is shifted to here. This bond make a new bond between these 2 different molecules and this bond is reacted to another molecule. So the remaining CH2 single bond only, single bond CH. Additionally, we get new bond. So that's why single bond is converted into double bond. CH. This double bond, one bond is shifted to here, remaining only one bond. So that's why one bond. CH2, single bond, CH2, bond CH, CN taken n times. Properties. It can be vulcanized same way of the natural rubber. It has good oil resistance, heat resistance and abrasion resistant. What is vulcanization process? Natural rubber has some drawbacks, means high water absorption, easily destroying. Because of this controlling of this, natural rubber get vulcanized, and additionally the natural rubber reacted with sulfur is nothing but called as a vulcanization process. Similarly, this Bunaeus and Bunayan also reacted with sulfur for better properties. That's why it can be vulcanized same way of the natural rubber. It has good oil resistance, heat resistance and abrasion resistance. Applications where it is used. Bunaeus is used for making of tires, tubes, etc. Bunayan is used for printers, belts and some other automobile parts, etc. So here named reaction is completed, and it is nothing but Bunayan, and this is nothing but Bunaeus. Thank you.